Alright then. What's going on? Metal layer. Concrete spread. And I think I'll just mix up one bag at a time for sure now, because I don't know how much it's going to take to top that off. Doesn't look like much, which is good. If I have some extra concrete, there's certainly other places I can use it. Okay then. Alrighty then. I guess that's the hard part. I think the hard part's over. Got her. Just gotta set up now. I can hoist the beam tomorrow, but I can't put any pressure, downward pressure on the footing for probably 5 days, 6 days, maybe longer. Especially since we're getting shitty weather and it's going to be super moist. That's probably going to add to that timeline. But anyhow, you know, at least it's a nice day out. Oh, yeah, that's my deck boards, which used to be right there was the other half of the deck. I'm just going to order all new boards. What I figured out, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 2x8s. And I'm going to get 4 posts that I can chop up and put in the corners and whatnot. Pour chunks of concrete underneath them for them to sit on, and of course, once I get the beams set, I'm going to pull those 2 floor joists out and reset them, since they started to kick out over time. Let's see, the blocks are leaning, and I push the boards out, the boards are leaning. So yeah, after I push everything up, then I will pull those off of there, fix them, make everything straight again, and call it a wrap. That part will be done. Still got to climb under the house that way and set those beams. But yeah, really, that won't be too hard. Getting the concrete to the footings will be the big pain in the ass, making the footings. I think I'm just going to dig holes, dump the concrete in the holes, and then drag buckets of water under there and just mix the concrete right in the damn hole. I think that'll be easiest. Put the bags of concrete on a tarp that I can drag easily across the dirt. And yeah, just cut them open in the hole, add the water, mix them right there with my little spade, and yeah. One at a time. I probably think I need 4, 6, 8. Yeah, 8 of those. So a bag each, I'd say. 8 more bags. This took 2 less than I thought it was going to, so 6 more bags of concrete. And I can move on. Get on with the project. Get her done. Alright. 30. I think I'm going to go have some lunch. My whole 300 calories for the day. God, I miss eating. Eating was such a pleasurable event. Now it's just like a piece of dried chicken, some blueberries, and 1 cup of freaking juice. And that's all I get for the day. I can't believe I'm still able to walk and talk and chew gum and shit. You'd think that would not be enough, but I don't know. I'm losing weight. I don't feel any more tired than usual. Still, I don't feel like I have more energy either, but I mean, yeah. I'm subsisting on 300 calories a day. My food bill's gone way down. I'm definitely not spending the amount of money on groceries that I was. That's a for sure. I think once I hit 195, I'm going to have me a giant 15-ounce ribeye steak to celebrate. And then not eat for 2 days. Okay then. Y'all enjoy your food.